Hello, another day morning again. Happy Sunday. We're going up to another hotel na naman guys at sa ibang laro. Anyway, today is July 5th morning. Tapos na ang July 4th o New Year o birthday ng Amerika. Tara at gumala at magpuyat at tumira sa daanan. Sabi tayong nasa daanan guys. Ang buhay natin. Matulog. Mayo. At tumikot. Kaya nga diba? Nabiloy gala ng Florida. Ang mag-asawang Balcho. Hi, welcome back. We're here in another hotel namin, Zay. Dito kami nung nakaraang 3 days ago. So, we're back here kasi this is Rockford again. Mag-stay and nakaraaraw dito kami. And here, back. Oops, hindi nag-focus. Very simple and small, sweet. Tawan, pero mabango at malinis. Yeah. So, that's our hotel now. Hi, we're back. Pagod na ako. Anyway, after 3 hours more than 3 hours, we've been driving from Rockford, Illinois, here in Decatur, Illinois. Uwi kami dun mamaya dahil manonood lang kami ng baseball dito. Bakit namin pinili dun yung hotel? Kasi malapit sa Rockford na airport. Dun yung balik namin ngayong 8. So we have 3 days left. Start today. And then, uwi na kami ng Florida. Magala na naman sa iba't ibang state hanggang matapos ang July. Okay, that's my update. Pagod ako. Nakatulog ako. Gutom na ako. Decatur. Ayan, ulit na yung baseball. Alam mo yung upuan nila dito? Ayan, puro na yan laruan. Palaruan. Ito lang yung upuan. Ayan. Okay na to. Parang hindi naman abrot dito ng mga 300 tao pwedeng manood. Ito lang. Dito terrace. Ayan. But then, kung ano nakikita niyong field, yan na yun. Yan lang. Yeah, it's a nice field. Just look near. But they're all carpet only.
That fall in late December, and all the stars are robin on the springtime window.
Clay Bon Scott would have been turning 80 this week.
Hi, we're back. So we're on the way to Ogden, Illinois to my friend. We've been together since the other 2 nights. And now we're gonna visit to their house. That's my update. Dahil natulog ako sa biyahe, nantok ako kasi ang aga gumising. Like, nakawi kami kagabi 11:30, so 12 na nakatulog. Gumising ako ng 6 of 5, no, 5:30. And wala akong tulog. Yun lang yung tulog ko. Sobrang ikli. So nakatulog ako ng mga 1 hour since dito sa car habang nagbabiyahe. Kasi yung biyahe is, ay yung drive namin go to my friend house is more than 2 hours. So that's my update. And see you there again. Allison. Nawala sa isip ko. Baby Allison and Ate Juliet. So yun lang. I'm here at the Allison's house. Allison at the Juliet house. Allison is here. Smile to the camera. There she is. There she is. Okay, she's playing down in the ball. And kanina pa kami dito. It's about an hour na. Kinalalaro lang kami and with the doggies. Oh, you want to sit down the ball up muna?
Yes.
Oh, there you go. Sit down. There. Ano ba ginagawa mo? Allison!
She finally.
Your friend is talking in there. And Ay. We'll see what's gonna happen after. Kanina pa kami naglalaro. Lumabas kami, nagbay kami dalawa. May car siya. And we're doing playing hide and seek. And this doggy very makulit. Look at that, oh. Ang dami ng mga laruan dito. That's kaya kapag may anak or may bata sa bahay. Auntie, Grandma, Doggy, Allison.
No talk.
Oh no. This is the view outside. Ang ganda, di ba? Little car, the doggy?
Got in my car.
I like your pink little car. That's a nice one. Be
Nagagalit
nice.
siya.
Be careful. Don't hurt that dog.
Don't get hurt, doggy. Spaghetti and the sauce. And now we have lechon. Meron tayong cassava cake.
I like it.
You like it?
I like that.
Masarap.
He eats you.
That's good. You sound like a monkey.
No.
Yeah, you sound like a monkey.
No. I think that is. Me.
Kain na na. First bite na lechon. Thank you, Ate Jolette. Hop.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Auntie and I. You hungry?
Just having spaghetti when I go in.
Is it good, Alice? Meat?
Check.
Henry, go sit down. Henry, go lay down. Henry, go lay down. I
You
like
can
it.
eat like that. Oh, yes.
Oh, there you go. She's a smart girl. She knows where it is. Huh?
Kids.
Oh my.
Right here.
You want some?
Kami kumain. Alison is go walk out na. Say hi muna. Auntie, hi. Come in.
Hi.
Look at here.
Yes.
Here. Other side. Hi.
That?
This is the water of the bird? I'm not sure. Lakad-lakad muna kami dito. Inalagaan ko siya kayong mami niya nasa work. That's the doggy! Hello, doggy! Hello! Hello, doggy! Oh, there's another one! Hello, doggy! Here, sit down here. That's for you.
Down here. I get here. Get here what that is.
Listen.
Ten.
Listen.
It's here. It's here. Hello. And why is the word? Water.
Mommy call us. Come on.
Gusto niya bang umupo sa car niya? Ito yung remote nun, oh.
Oo nga, gusto niya nga ipaano eh, kasi daw marunong.
Kaya nga, turuan kita. Nagbi-blink-blink ba?
Nagaganon-ganon.
Oo, pero tayo mo yan sa park yan.
Ang tawag dito? Blueberries?
Blackberry.
Ah, blackberries. Bakit black? Ay, itim ba siya? Ang daming bunga. Ay, ayun o. Ang dami dito sa likod. Hinog pa. Nag-harvest ka na? Baka hilaw hinarvest mo. May bunga yung ano mo oh.
Magdala ko yung zucchini.
Ang soy ni.
Ito. Yung talong. Ikaw magdala niyan. Hindi ko na yung maluluto.
Wala akong luggage eh.
Wala ka nugget?
Wala, ano lang, hand carry lang yung luggage ko. Hindi yan siya pwede sa hand carry.
Kaya nga.
Ang tawag dyan? Kalabasa?
Zucchini.
Ah. Ito ano to?
Wait, careful. What's that?
Ano? Tawag doon, kamatis.
Cherry to dito.
Mukhang, yan yung kinakain ng mga babies. Yung kumipitas sila, tapos kinakain nila. Galing. Umuulan kasi, maganda na kasi yung weather, kaya bubuhay sila. Wow. Diba? May mga bunga na yan, oh. Maliit lang yan sa akin, pero may bunga sila.
Ito, watermelon.
Pagod na. Napagod na. Nagbike na sa hapon. Mami niya yung daddy niya nagbike din. Ayun na. Palis na rin kami mamaya-maya. Bike. Ang mga aso pa na yung habol oh. Ganda ng nadahon. Pag kumukulay din to sila pag nag-ano na, tawag doon spring. Tapos mag-change color yung mga dahon, then fall. Magkukulay din to. I mean, mag-change color din yung dahon nila. Allison! Paw Patrol! Very good! Ganda. Hapon na. Good, hapon! On the way home sa aming hotel tayo. From here, Ogden, Illinois, going to Rockford. Almost 3 hours. Depende on the traffic. Here, uwi na kami. Thank you, Allison at Juliet. Nag-enjoy talaga kami. Ganun din si Allison.
Continue on I-70.